Okay, so I will start now that how to create a professional website in 60 minutes. And we as see for all the website files, all the files. You can see this. For example, you have a house where you have your things inside the house and you have an address, a domain name, and then for this tutorial if you already from there, but if you on the page that you can install Bitnami WordPress, you can search on internet Bitnami WordPress, and then you can choose Windows, Mac, Linux, which one you want to install, and you can download the WordPress from here, for example Windows from here, and for Mac and for Linux, and you can install on your local PC. So you do not need hosting and domain name to create your website on your local PC. So I hope you already have this, as I posted in the group, sorry, on the event page, that you already have installed WordPress. If you do not have, I can show you. So you just need to download this one, and once you download, you need to follow the installation process. It take couple of minutes. Bitnami manager will ask you need, and you just check everything. It is a trusted software, so you can trust. And once you install and finish, you have this small window open, and you need to click on go to applications. When you go to applications, it will open a local host on your browser, and then you can click on access WordPress. Okay, there's some error, established database connection, but normally it works like this. Because it is live feed, so I cannot go and troubleshoot because other people, they are also waiting. So this is the way how you can do on local system. And if you have hosting, for example, I can open you my hosting. So I have Fast Comet A2 hosting, I already recommended. So what you need to do is you need to log in into your hosting account. And all these hosting accounts are same, no matter which one you are using. Maybe Super Host, HostGator, GoDaddy, they all have the similar things. So what you need to do is you need to find this thing which is called cPanel. I just checked how is the stream going on. Okay, looks fine. Okay, so you have this cPanel in every hosting. I am showing you Fast Comet, but so what you need to do is you need to click on access cPanel. They may ask you for your password again. Okay, so once you are in your cPanel, there are a lot of things here. You do not need to be puzzled about what are those things. You just need to find for WordPress. So you'll find something like this, WordPress managed by Softwareculous. Click on it, and it will open a page for you just like this. In all hosting they are similar, maybe some colors different here, the left section is blue color or orange color, but overall the procedure is same. And once you reach to this page, we are going to install WordPress like we speak here. Tell you what is domain and hosting. I did not cover this one. I'm going to tell you because it makes sense. If I install it, then I explain you what it is. Install WordPress. So we are here, and then you need to click on install now. You need to choose, this is my already selected domain name, so I have a domain name igniter.directory. If you are making just one website, you can just leave it like this, but I have a lot of websites, so I'm going to install this in a new subdirectory. But for you, you do not need to change anything from it, just leave it like this. And then your site name, description, edit everything after. Then you have to choose your username and password. So normally I'd not suggest that you keep it admin. You have to make something more secure, because WordPress is an open source software, and if you're not careful about it, WordPress power more than 35% website on the internet files of WordPress. So I will advise you to choose something harder. For this tutorial, because I'm going to delete this website after, I'll just leave it like this. And you need to enter your email address so that you can get notification, and if you are lost password, then you can recover your password from there. Then you have to choose your language, WordPress offer a lot of languages, so you can choose whichever language you want. I'm going to choose English. Then leave this section just like this, everything like this, and then you can add the installation details. So I'm entering, then click on install. It may take few minutes depending on your server. So okay, here a WordPress installed successfully. I'm going to click on this link. So this is how a default, and to log in into your WordPress website, what you need to do is you can click from your hosting. Otherwise, I tell you, for example, this is my website, which is ignitecpro.com test1. In your case, it will be something just like your domain name, because I installed in directory, that's why it is having test1. But in your case, it will just your domain name. So what you need to do, you need to copy your domain name, paste it, and in the end type wp admin. So when you type this, you will reach to your WordPress login page. Okay, and then you need to enter your email name or your username and password, and you will go inside the WordPress dashboard. So in my hosting, I can just directly click here and I reach to WordPress dashboard. So now the thing to consider is, I'm going to tell you like more about WordPress. So this is our front end. You can see this very simple. Site title is here, search icon is here, and it looks pretty boring. And this is a WordPress dashboard. We call it WordPress Backend admin panel. So everything what we do on WordPress, we do from here. To add new pages, to add new blog post, to add some media, we do everything from here. I made a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. If you don't know, you can go here and check. And most of you can find it related video based on this functionalities what we are speaking today. So you can see I installed it. I made a video about it. WordPress like PC version, how to install WordPress on localhost. So you can watch this video, and if you're having problems on your PC, you can watch this video and you can install it after also. For this video, we are just going to continue. And if you face any kind of problem, you can come after to my channel and you can find the related video interest. Okay, so we do everything from WordPress backend. I'll just check the live chat, what's happening. Okay, there's 7 people watching. Okay, so this is a WordPress backend. Everything we do from backend, and what we do, it will reflect on our website front end. So as we spoke, what is domain and hosting? We spoke what is, and now we are speaking WordPress overview. So I will tell you some small things so you understand how we can use the WordPress. So to add a new post, blog post, what you need to go on the left sidebar, and then you click add new, and you will add a new blog post. We'll see this in more detail after, but for now I'm giving you just overview about all these things. What are those? Also, I would recommend you, if you are new to WordPress, what you can do, you can go here, screen options, and then uncheck everything from here. If you uncheck, you will have a clean page, and it is better for your concentration, so you do not bother about all those things, that what are these things are. So you do this thing, and after you have just this option on the left side. If you have to add new page, just go here pages and click on add new. Then your appearance, you can add themes on your website. Let's speak about little bit about themes. So what are themes? If you click on themes, right now my website has this theme. Theme are installed on your website which define your website design, the colors, the font size, and everything on your website. If you look at my website, which we recently installed, the font headings, they are big and black in color, and the footer is in white background color, because the theme I have installed on my website is called 2020 It comes default with WordPress installation. Now what we can do, as we spoke here, installing ready-made theme. So what we are going to do on WordPress, there are so many themes, nice theme developed by a lot of developers, free of cost, available to you. To install a new theme, you will understand in a minute that what is the purpose of a theme on your website. So what we are going to do, we are going to click add new, and WordPress will show you all the thousands of themes available on WordPress. They are all free of cost. Most of them, they have free versions, and if you really want something unique feature, maybe you can buy them. But out, if you're a beginner, you're starting your business, you're launching a website, you can always work out with free themes. They have this feature filter here. If you click here, you can check if you want a theme for your blog website. Just click here and apply filters, and WordPress will show you the themes which are best for your blog website. Okay, and then you can sort the okay. So for a yoga instructor, this design is perfect. You can see there are different pages which are already made. You can just scroll and have a look what are these pages are. And site, instead of making everything from scratch, you can just import the designs already available here. All these are free. If you search, these are free. If you click on all, you have free and the paid version also. But the free version is so nice. I create a lot of websites using the free version designs. Here you can see they have like design for every business. Okay, so for this tutorial we'll go very fast, or maybe we'll start with organic store. So what you need to do, once you are here, complete site. Before that, if you want, you can click preview organic store site. It will give you exact preview that how your website will look. So you can check here, your website will look something like this. Okay, so we'll go back and then click on import complete site. You can check this option and then click on import. It's gonna install everything for you. So it's gonna import design, it's gonna import pages, it's gonna import page builder. Like we spoke, page builder is a tool with drag and drop. You can website to add any functioning on your page. For example, if you want to add a image, you can just drag image from the page builder and drop it on anywhere. You will see next step we are going to edit the website, because until now what we have done, we installed the WordPress, we installed a theme Astra, and then we installed a plugin starter templates. The starter templates give us a lot of design to import, and now we are importing the design process. Once the import process will complete, we will see how we can edit the design and make it our own. Okay, it's 37% complete. Okay, so import complete. What we'll do now, remember, after installing the Astra theme, our website was looking just like this. And now we'll go back here, and now we'll view the site. Boom. So this is our website. Remember, we started from a basic website WordPress, and then we installed theme. It used to look something like this, very basic. And this is our current website. Do you see it and plugins? We developed a very beautiful professional website, because open source things available on the market, so you do not need to pay money to professionals, thousands of euros or dollars to make your website. If you don't have budget, you can create your very professional website in minutes. So everything looks very professional here. If you go back, no matter what business you do, You just need to select a design from here, and then you just import the design on your website. For example, this is a page for nutritionist. If you're a nutritionist, you can just import this design, and you can just have a preview of how you import the complete design and make it your own. Okay, so we'll go back and see. So we covered importing demo content. This is our website now. You can see different pages are here, your shops, there's about page also added. Of course, this is a demo. Images here, you can use these images, they're free to use. And then we are going to edit all this information after. And then this is for an e-commerce site, but no matter which site you import, you will have all the pages what you see in the preview. Okay, so we'll go back to the home page and we'll go to the last step of this webinar, that we can edit this content. So for example, we are on home page. To edit any page, now we are going to see what does a page builder do. So click on Add with Elementor. All this small, if you hover on any element, you have this blue lines and this pencil icon. So first we'll see, this is Elementor page builder. On the left side, you want add inner section, you can just drag from here and drop it here. If you want to add an image, you can drag from here, drop it here. Then video, you can scroll the page, you can find Google Maps, icons, posts, portfolio. But then the free version is good for you. If you need it, you can buy a pro version also. Okay, so first we'll see how we can edit this design, and we are not going to make this video very complex. And I see there's some issues happening with the YouTube stream. Maybe next time we have to do stream with some other platform. It's a good experience to understand how streaming works for me. I'm sorry if you are having any lag or something. Streaming platform which is right now we are doing. Okay, so let's keep this simple. So if we want to change this image, what we do on this pencil, and for Anik, if you have some images of a soap, you can choose from here. Or if you are, or anybody else who is watching this stream, if you have any business, you can select your files from your local computer, and then you can just, for example, if I choose a YouTube image, I choose my own image, then I click on insert media. Image is changed. It's so easy with the Elementor to change images, add new elements. I click on this pencil icon, section also, and you can hello, welcome to my website. Now we'll scroll down sections here. You just click on here, and then you can change the icons also. You can choose and you can insert, and you can change the text also. In this page builder, if you don't need any section, for example, if you don't want this section, you can just click here and click this cross, and the section will be deleted. So you can import design, keep what you want on your website, and delete the elements which you do not need. Then you go down, you can check these things. There's a button here, you can click here and you can change the appearance of button, how it should be aligned. Put a link here where you want to redirect. For example, you put google.com. So when somebody will click on this button will take them to google.com. This doesn't make sense. You have to put some link on your website. And same way you can edit any content. And once you're done, you can click on update, and we'll go back to website. This is the old design, and we'll refresh. Okay, you can see image is changed, the text is changed. Same way you can change any content on your website. Now we'll go back to now about page, and if we want to add about page, what we'll do, we'll go add with Elementor. And like I spoke before, click on and start writing. You can scroll the page. If you want to change the image, you can change the image. Okay, so now we see how we can edit the content which is already present in our design. Now let's see very for example, if you want to add new elements, how we can do that. So click on this dots here, and for example, if you want to add a new image, you can drag it and you can drop it here, and then click on it and choose image. For example, if I want to tell something about my company, I will upload the file. I will go back and I will add this image. You can see, and you have a lot of options. If you want a small image, you can choose the small image from here. For example, medium image. It will play a little bit with it, and with few minutes you will understand like how to work with these elements. Okay, let's go and add something else. Okay, so I added the image. If I want to add a video, I'll drag this thing and I will drop it where I want. For example, I want to add this here, I'll just drop it here. And now I can put any link from YouTube. For example, if I go to my channel and I want to put the link of this webinar, so I'll just go here. Okay, yeah, here, and I will just paste, and our video is added. You can select from Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted. Self-hosted is a video on your website. So first we'll see how we can add this design, and I see this. Sorry, I was listening to my own stream. So this is how you add a video. Okay, sorry, self-hosted video. So if you have video on your computer, so you can just choose the video from your computer, and you can add that video also. For example, if I want to add a video, I think I don't have video prepared. Okay, I have a lot of videos here. So for example, this video, I'm going to, depending on your video, it can take some time. I'll suggest you, if you can use some third party like Vimeo or YouTube, that's better for the loading speed of your website also, and with also the less heavy content you have on your website, the fast your website will load. So when you include some video from YouTube or Vimeo, your website load fast. But if you add self-hosted videos, try to upload the small videos. Don't upload a video of like 1 GB or 100 MB or something. Keep it always very small. Maybe 1 MB or 2 MB video is fine, but if you want to add a bigger video, you can always use YouTube or Vimeo or any other video platform. So once you're done, you can insert media and you will have your video here. Okay, so once you're done, you can click on update. If you want to preview the changes, you can click this I button here and you will reach to the page. So here's the video which we uploaded on website. It's a very big video, so maybe it will take some time to process and appear here. That's why I said yes, but you understand how you can add a video. This was our image. This portion looks very bad in design, but I added this just to show you how you can add it to what you need and change the text here, and it will be looks. So if you are, for example, train a personal training 5,000 people before, you can change this number, and specialize in yoga, different kind of yoga, so you can write something like this. All these things very well to create your website. We'll go back And now let's see how we can change the logo of website. So to edit the to our WordPress dashboard, okay. And you know themes, it will take us to install themes. The second thing here is customize. Click on customize. Depending on the theme you install, in this video we're using Astra theme. If you install any other theme from WordPress, you can have different options here. Okay, so we'll go to global, and here you write the fonts on your website. For example, body and content open sans. If you can free to use, so you can change them for, and you can change the line height of the fonts also. You can change the font size for headings also from here. You have to play little some time, and like you, so easy, so interactive, user friendly. So you just need to play a little bit, and after you feel very comfortable about your website. Okay, yeah, so we are speaking about the logo. So you see this, you can go back, you can go to site identity, and you can change. So we'll go and change the logo. Okay, so you can upload files, you can select from a computer. I'm going to select my logo. And select from here. They will ask you to crop the image. If you don't want to crop, okay, you have same like we edit pages, you can add your footer also. You can click on this section. They tell you meet right clicks. If you right click here, you can do a lot of stuff from here. You can duplicate the section, or you can delete the section. Okay, so just click on it, and you have options to change. You can add your address or something what you want to display here. It depends on you that what you want to display here. Normally people write the address here, or if you're making a website for your application, you can add links to application. For example, if we click on this section thing, you can choose icon from here. And on every Elementor, you have these two things, style and advanced. With style, you can choose the width and height, and you can see the changes on real time. But I think for now, these things should not be a big thing to worry about. We just need to understand how to work with the Elementor. You can see it's pretty easy. Everything is there. You just hover your mouse and you will understand what to do. And then you advance, it gives you more options if you want to change margin and padding. But put your energy in understanding what is margin padding. Just try to play with the things which we already imported, and once you are good with it, you will understand what is margin padding. Normally it's the distance between the elements. Okay, so here if you want to change this thing, we can change here. I'll change this image. Okay, this is a very nice thing I would like to tell you. So you are making a website, but a lot of time the big problem is where you find good quality images free of cost. So recently WordPress installation, if you're using with Elementor, you can Pixabay. So this is an image repository from where you can use free images, and they're very good in quality also, and you do not need license to use these images on website. So you can search free images from Pixabay, and you can search anything here. For example, if I want something for my corporate website, I can just write corporate, and I can quick select the image which you want on your website and insert media. You can choose images from Pixabay also. Okay, why it's not added? Let me check again. Okay, because I did not click save and insert. So when you click save and insert, it will download the image from Pixabay and it will add on your website. Once you're done with footer, update. So we'll go back to website and see the footer. Okay, the footer is changed. You see this is the address section, this another section. So you can work out with the website just like this. Contact page is, I think, basic for everybody who's watching this stream. So if you want to add this page, just go to add with Elementor. And same way, just click on heading. You can change headings. If you want to change the sections, click on this section and you can edit your phone number, whatever you want here. You can change your emails from here. And then we have FAQ section here. So the best thing about Elementor page builder is, do you see these things here? These are foldable sections. You can just directly add it from your Elementor elements. And for example, if I want to add this thing, I'll just click on this section, and on left side I can change what is the title. This title, content inside. So just few clicks you can change everything and make it your own. For second section, I'll go back here and here's our second section. I'll change the title to and change content to. And once you're done, update, and you can click this preview changes here, and you can see these elements are changed. So all the elements you are working with, they are so simple with Elementor. So you just need to hover your mouse and you will find everything what you want to do with them. Okay, so we'll go back here. Okay, very interesting thing about this Elementor page builder is you can test your responsive design also here. So for example, this page is my contact page. If I want to look how it looks on mobile device, I just need to select mobile from here. And from here I can see my website. So this is how my website will look on mobile. You can see here this foldable menu. If you want to test your website on tablet devices, you can test from here. And normally you can test on desktop also. So this is how we see how we can edit the header, how we can add the page content, how we can edit the footer. One more thing I would like to tell you, that how we can change the menu items. These items. Back to the customizer, friend customizer. If you don't remember, I can go back again and show you. So what you need to do is go to your dashboard and then click on appearance and then customize. Customize is very useful. So if you know how to use it, it will take some time, few minutes, give it time, and you can do a lot of things from customizer directly. Okay, so we are here again. Then click on this pencil icon again and they will ask you. And there's some options here. So this is our primary menu. If you want, you can disable, and the menu is gone. But it is not a usual case that you disable the menu. So we'll enable the menu. You can have more than one menu. Normally this menu on the top, it's called primary menu, or sometimes called the top menu. Sometimes it is called main menu. So we are going to see how we can edit this. Scroll down the page.